These are from the Fuel Wheel Company. We're all familiar with that. These are the Vapor style. We've had these for 4 years, 3 years, Lauren? 4. 4 years now. And we're going to tell you our favorite part about them and our least favorite part about them.
My least favorite part about these wheels is these caps for the hubs right here. You have to use an Allen wrench, find the right screw, and undo that before you can even take the lug nuts off.
It's simply a wheel and a tire. A lug nut is part of it, so I don't know why we have to hide the lug nuts. My favorite part about these wheels is when they are dirty like they are currently. We're in New England, we're around snow and salt. They still look good. Sometimes we quickly wash the truck in a car wash, and we don't even bother cleaning the wheels because they look good dirty. Now, they also look good when they're all cleaned and polished up. But when they don't look good is somewhere between a half clean. You know, when you're quickly trying to clean them and you don't get them perfect, that's when they look horrible. But they look good clean and they look good dirty. That's my favorite thing about these wheels.